Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this one I'm going to do the FPS drop test in the Badlands mobile game in the bootcamp exactly. As you can see friends, right now I'm trying to use the bootcamp map here, and this is the Realme GT Master Edition and is the FPS drop test which I'm trying to do right now in this video. And I'll try to do the multiple times FPS drop test in the Realme GT Master Edition. So right now you will be able to see exactly how is the FPS is maintaining. 55 is the lowest value which we did see regarding the FPS count, not bad. 55 is the lowest one. During this process of demonstration, 55 we got. So 32, oh my god, that's 32 and 54 it did drop. During this process of testing, not bad regarding the FPS drop test. I can definitely see there's a FPS drop is happening exactly right now as you can clearly see friends. Let me do the FPS drop test again second time. Right now as you can see friends, this is a Realme GT Master Edition. Right now you can see the FPS is dropping up to 53 as well. Sometimes I did see there's a frame drop happening randomly in this device, Realme GT Master Edition. 53 is the lowest FPS we did see right now. So is another bootcamp drop test in the Realme GT Master Edition exactly. This is Realme GT Master Edition and the FPS dropped till 51 FPS. 51 FPS is the lowest value which we did see during this process. 45 as well. So not sure what's happening here, so maybe some problem with the ping value I guess. Right now as you can see friends, how is the FPS maintaining exactly right now. You can get a clear idea, right? So that's it friends, thank you for watching a state of more updates. This is a quick FPS drop test in the bootcamp in the Realme GT Master Edition, and these are the statistics which we got right now in the Realme GT Master Edition. Meanwhile, signing off friends, until instead of more updates, until then, bye.